Hi, welcome to a presentation on OpenLM Light. So now we'll be taking a look at how to install the OpenLM Light version. Now the Light version is very restrictive. It doesn't allow many things that OpenLM Core does allow to do. So if you find that the Light version is too limited, we also have the evaluation version where you can evaluate for 30 days. So first of all, let's see how it is configured on the network. So you probably got your license servers. Each one has probably a few vendors that you want to monitor. So all you need to do is install the OpenLM Core or OpenLM server on any network server. It can also be on the license server, on your PC, whatever you choose. So in the Lite instance, the OpenLM Core connects directly to the license manager itself. It gets the information from the data being outputted in the vendor port. Now let's see how we install this. So first of all, we simply need to go to our installation file. In this case, it's OpenLM Server, WinCore. Double click, click Next. I agree. Next, next, next. And it's installing. It might ask you for permissions once or twice, but basically you can let it install. Once the installation is finished, it will ask us if we would like to continue with an evaluation version or with a Lite version. So in this case, we will decide to go with the Lite option. So once it installs, we get this. So let's select OpenLM Light. Let's try Lite. Now, in order to get a license for OpenLM Light, we need to input our credentials. So let's see how it works. So as you see, I filled in all my details right here, and all is left is simply click Next. Oh, there must be a plus sign in the phone number. So let's do that. Click Next. And now it's getting the license file, and we can configure a new license server. So let's configure now. Click Yes. So this is the configuration form. What we'll need to first do is click Add. We'll select the type that we want. We'll give it a name, let's say Autodesk. The host name of the vendor that we want to reach. So the host name of the license manager in my case is Win8 OLM prod. And it's port 600. And there's only one option to remotely query the license manager. Now this needs to be checked. So let's apply and restart. You'll need to also make sure that the time zone is the same time zone as the license manager itself. So if we jump to the license manager, we'll need to check here, adjust date and time, And the time zone is Atlantic Time, Canada. So this is exactly what we need to set in the OpenLM server. So let's go back there. So here, we'll need to set Atlantic Time. Apply, restart now. This will restart the service of OpenLM. Now what we gotta do is simply either search for interface and the OpenLM user interface, or click on Start, go to OpenLM, and OpenLM user interface. Just click that. And that's it. You're connected to the Lite version of OpenLM. You can connect using this link, but if you change the local host here to the machine name, Win10 demo, this is the machine that houses OpenLM server, then you'll be able to take this link and use it from any connected device. You can connect to it remotely. And that's it. We see that the server is here. It's running. No broker because we are on a Lite version. We are getting the quantity and currently no usage. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.